guys, welcome to Easy Kidz Creations. So first we're going to make just a normal bracelet. So first with your fingers. So first you're going to need bands and your fingers. So first you're going to take your first band and put it crossover. Now you're going to take your second band and put it like that. Then just straight. And then you're going to take your pink one and put it over. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing and put it over. But don't do the crossover. Do the straight. Now you're going to take your blue one, put it straight. And don't do the crossover again. So you should get something like that now. Okay, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you like Easy Kidz Creations. Make sure to watch all my videos. And I'm so glad that you guys are my subscribers. Hope you guys are having a great day. Okay, so now you'll just keep adding it, and then it should turn into this. Sorry, it's such a mess over here. I was trying to make a video, but my band broke, so I couldn't make the video. And like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to teach you guys how to make this next. Hopefully you guys picked some good colors. I like some rainbow, some pink and blue, because I like pink and blue, because I'm doing it right now. And then I'll show, in my next video, I'll show you guys how to make a normal bracelet with beads on it. Hopefully you guys stay as long to get the beads on. Hopefully you like my videos, because I try very hard to make these good videos. Oh wait, wrong color. Sorry guys, my mom was talking to me, so I had to pick the wrong color. Guys, and you should subscribe for me to do ASMR videos, because I have a lot of slime. Comment down below whatever thing you want me to make next, so I can make it for you guys, so you guys can learn. Okay, now you're probably gonna get to where you should probably stop looming when you're to your wrist size, there. I'm not there yet, but okay. Only if you stretch it out, you are. Let me know if you want me to make a double band bracelet. It's just the same thing, just with double bands. But if you want me to teach you guys how to make a fishtail, just comment down below. I will do that. I have an auto loom for fishtails, so they could like loom for me. Okay. I need just a little bit bigger. Who had a good Labor Day? Hope everyone had a good Labor Day. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Okay, I should be done now. So I'm gonna take it off, put it like that, and then put it, both of them like that, on my fingers. And where's my... Okay. Now I'm gonna get my C-clip and put it on there. Then take the other side. And put it like that on my C-clip. See, guys, now you have a good bracelet. Hopefully you like and subscribe and you loved this video. Bye, guys.